Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will design a program to input a character from the user, and then it will check whether the given character is alphabet or not using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. So design a program to ask the user to give a character, and then our program will determine whether the character that is being given by our user is a character or not using C++. Okay, let us go with the code. So basically I'm using dev C++ integrated development environment in writing this program. So we have several comments here, and then we have your sharp include IO stream for input output using namespace std and main. It is the starting point and ending point of every C++ program. Line number 13, we have your left curly bracket, and then we have here two variables, ch and screen underscore displayed which has a data type of character. For your information guys, when we say character, it can accept only one single symbol, and then it is enclosed with single quotation. So we have here console out, new line here, the title of a program, character checker in C++, the \t is horizontal tab. Line number 19 and 20, we are asking the user to give a character stored in a variable ch. Screen underscore display to upper, it will convert whatever value into uppercase, capital letter, or symbol. So we have here a conditional statement for checking for capital or small alphabets using logical operator or and end. So begin, if it is true, the given character screen display is an alphabet. If it is false, it is not an alphabet. And a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then the right curly bracket. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for character checker in C++. Let us go to execute, compile and run so that we can see the output. Character checker in C++ give a character, let's say y. The given character y is alphabet. Observe properly, the letter y is in capital letters. End of program because of the to upper function here. This one. Another example, how about we give special symbol, let's say, or number 56. So the given character 5 is not an alphabet. Okay, not 56. End of program. Last example, how about special character of ampersand? Give a character ampersand, the given character ampersand is not an alphabet. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of character checker in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.